If you're looking for a personal injury attorney, we want you to meet someone who will really fight for you. Attorney JB joins us now to explain why he is known as the Ouch Guy. Thank you so much for being with us.
Thank you for having me.
The Ouch Guy is a very catchy name. How'd you come up with it?
So actually, my clients came up with it for me.
Okay.
When I called my clients for, talk about that, like, oh, you're the accident guy. You're the accident guy. I said,
Yes.
well, I don't like to be known as the accident guy.
Accident, yeah.
Yeah, and it just kind of morphed into the Ouch Guy.
Got it.
Yeah.
And you are part of the Platinum Law Group. What makes your practice stand out from the crowd?
So our practice, our focus, our core belief is that you as the client, and hopefully not you, but the client is the center of what we do and why we do it. So when you call 877-OUCH-911, our marching orders are what you need. It's not what we want to do for your case. It's what you need us to do for your case.
And sometimes we don't know, so we just turn to you and we're in the middle of something that we don't want to be in the middle of. If we're calling you, something has gone wrong, you guys can help make it right.
Absolutely. And of course, we've been doing this for a while, so there are many parts that you won't know what to do, but that's where we come in, our experience. We've been doing this for a long time, and we'll take care of you.
And what questions should clients ask you or ask any attorney when they're starting this?
Well, I mean, ultimately, when you're choosing an attorney, and not all of you are going to choose me, although I think otherwise, but when you're choosing an attorney, you want to make sure that your attorney is focused on you and is not going to put you as part of like a cookie cutter, like this is where I kind of want you to be because it's easier for me. It's not about what's easier for me, it's about how I can maximize your case.
And you talk about something about like keeping your representation fresh. Is that how you say it?
Yeah.
What does that mean?
So when keeping somebody fresh, or keeping your representation fresh is kind of like flowers. At the end of the day, you can have, some flowers are timeless. You could always have a rose, but at the end of the day, if you want the flower to work, if you want everything to work, you gotta update it for what the current season is. And a yellow dandelion might not look good in the winter and things like that. So at the end of the day, we're gonna maximize, we're gonna focus all of our energies on your case and what makes your case a little bit different and tweak it just enough to make you a little bit more money if possible.
And then talk about some of the cases that you take. I know it's personal injury, but are we talking car accidents? Is this medical malpractice? What do you specialize in?
All of the above. Personal injury of any sort. If you're injured, if you have an accident, if you have any sort of injury or deficiency because of somebody else's negligence, be it a doctor, be it a driver, or anybody else, that's when you call us, and we will, again, I have a wonderful team, and we take care of pretty much everything. So if you need something, 877-OUCH-911 will get you taken care of.
And I can't even speak. The Platinum Law Group has been around for a while now, right?
Yeah, we've been around since 2014, or 2015. We're getting, every day that goes by, we're gaining more and more momentum.
Yes.
And we're here for you.
Well, it's funny that you say 2015 because I've heard of you and I hear people say that they love your practice. So it's really interesting that you've made that much of an impact so quickly. So if people are watching and they want to get in touch with you, how do they do that? What's the best way to do it?
So the easiest way is 24/7. Call 877-OUCH-911. It's a nice toll-free number. It's easy to remember, 877-OUCH-911. But of course, ouchguy.com.
Yes.
Fill out the comment form and somebody will contact you right away.
Really helpful because you're putting people at ease when they need it most, in the middle of a crisis. That's why they're turning to you. And that's a number you want to keep handy because you never know when you're going to need it.
Absolutely, and that's our goal. You hit the nail on the head, keeping people at ease. When you're in crisis, call us and we will walk you through that crisis every step of the way.
Absolutely. Well, thank you so much for being here, Attorney JB, and we'll be right back with more Midday Maryland right after this. Stay tuned.